Bitcoin dominance, free cryptocurrency TradingView tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Go to the search bar in the middle hand part of your screen and type in Bitcoin space dominance. As you can see, we have a couple different options. Click the first option, BTC.D. In this case, we want to be checking out the market cap of Bitcoin or Bitcoin's dominance. Click the first option, launch chart. Now, as you can see here on the screen, we have the market cap of BTC dominance in the top left hand part of your screen. You can even click on the chart and move to the right and to the left to see a previous time frame, and you can go under to the percentage right here. Click, you can scroll up. Now when you click, you can drag down on the chart, drag up, and if you zoom in on your mouse, you can now see the bigger picture. Bonus tip, go to the top right hand of your screen, click the notepad icon, and now you can currently see more details or statistics of Bitcoin dominance. You can see here the seasons, the technicals, we have a strong buy, and you can even see the current volume of Bitcoin dominance. Bonus feature, if you want, you can go to the top left hand screen, click the second option to access a trend line, and now if you were to scroll out, you can easily click, hold and drag on your screen, click one more time. You have successfully drawn a trend line and located the BTC or Bitcoin dominance ticker symbol on TradingView completely for free.